Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use ghost summons in Elden Ring. To begin, ensure you have the Spirit Calling Bell and at least one Spirit Ash in your inventory. Equip your chosen Spirit Ash to a quick slot for easy access during combat. When you see the small, glowing monument icon appear on your screen, you are in an area where spirits can be summoned. Simply activate the Ash from your quick slot, spending the required focus points, and your spectral ally will appear to assist you. Spirit Ashes are valuable items you will discover across the vast lands between, often found in dungeons, as boss drops, or purchased from merchants. Once you have a few, head to the Round Table Hold and seek out Roderica. She is the only character capable of upgrading your Spirit Ashes, making them stronger and more resilient. You will need specific crafting materials, primarily Grave Glovewort and Ghost Glovewort, to enhance your spectral companion's power. Knowing when and where to summon is crucial for effective spirit use. Always watch for the small, white, glowing monument icon on the left side of your screen. This indicates a summonable area. These areas typically include boss arenas, certain open-world encounters, and many dungeons. Remember, you cannot summon spirits if you are a summoned co-operator in another player's world. Strategically deploy your spirits just before a difficult fight to maximize their impact. To truly master spirit summoning, understand that each ash offers unique strengths. Some spirits, like the Ludel the Headless, are excellent tanks, drawing enemy aggression and absorbing damage. Others, such as the Lone Wolf Ashes, provide quick, aggressive attacks. Consider your own build and playstyle. A ranged character might benefit from a melee tank, while a melee character could use ranged support. Experiment with different ashes to find the perfect spectral companion for any challenge.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.